po sa lahat ng suporta. Sana po ngayong malapit na tayo magkahiwa-hiwalay, makabanding ka pa namin ng matagal. At sa mga CSI 2A 1 to 5, mga classmate kong pasuway, maraming salamat. Sana makagraduate tayong lahat. Salamat din at naging bahagi kayo ng buhay ko. Ay, sir, thank you sa lahat. Sa mga classmate ko, mamimiss ko kayo. Salamat. And I love you all, guys. Thank you.
Before anything else, I would like to say thank you to all classmates Society 2A 1 to 5 and especially Sir Escoto. I'm really proud that I'm Society 2A 1 to 5. Baka boring yung life kapag wala kayo. Thank you so much.
Hi sir, Rona here. Thanks po kay ganang effort sa binyayo kaya kami and thanks kay extend sir. Karang mates ko, salamat din. We love you all guys. Bye-bye.
We were strangers, starting out on a journey.
Sir, thanks kay knowledge share mo kaya kami. Sensya na kung minsan pasaway kami. Alang mga lingwan na sir. Ingat sa lagi. Karang sisay, karang classmates ko, walang magbayo. Basta party tamo. I really like it. Undefeated tamo pa rin na. Dapat pa na champion.
Never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are.
Sir, thank you keng ega naganak, keng pamanintindi, keng suporto. Sana lagi kang atsu para kaya kami. Kareng sisay 2A, thank you rin kahit minsan pasaway kayo, loves da kayo. Ito mo.
And I'm suddenly standing at the beginning with you.
Sai, 2A, thanks sa mga shared moments natin. College life ko ay masaya. Thanks din kay Sir Escoto, marami po kaming nalaman, sir. Alim mo ko kakalingwan itang makulit, hehehehe. Sisay, alang mga lingwan, sa kalanda kayo. Go!
Classmate, thank you sa lahat-lahat sa pag-treat sa akin bilang ate ninyo. Tsaka na-enjoy ko yung college ko dahil sa inyo. Kita-kita tayong lahat sa graduation. Kaya natin to. Sir, thank you po sa extend at tsaka sa incentive. Sana po sa next sem meron pa. Thank you po.
Unexpected, what you did to my heart when I lost hope.
Hey guys, paano ako? Medyo masaya ako. Sir, thank you karang incentives. Masarap maging sisay. Try mo. Ito mo. Ito kakalingon.
You were there to remind me into the sky.
Sir, guys, thank you kay everything. Thank you kay understanding, being comforter of life. Thank you karing memories, even good or even if it is bad. Thank you na tinanggap yo kahit makanini ko mo. Being a part of your life give me lots of ideas and thoughts and so much to remember. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all coms. I want 1 to 5 2A and especially to Sir Rus Cute Escoto. First of all, I would like to thank you to all my classmates and Sir Rus. Thanks for the past of my life not being part of my life. Thanks a lot. This is Fred Mina in the house.
Sir, thanks po keng ega na gana. Thanks po kareng tiro mo kaya kami. Kareng programa mga sakit pero at least match-challenge kami pa rin. Ito mo sir, thanks po. Kareng classmates ko, ala sana magbayo. At saka sana ni Aksem ikitam pa rin. Apong ikatam pa rin saning abe-abe. Tsaka kaluguran da kayo nga guys. Ika yung mga pasaway kayo. Thanks mo ito mo guys.
Sir, thank you for the knowledge you've given to us. Guys, thank you for accepting me in this section. This is one of the major decision in my life I couldn't regret forever. I love you guys. Hope you'll never forget someone like me, cause I'll never forget.
We were strangers.
Thanks po kaya ganagan ng support mo kaya kami. Balo ko ikaing the best ming mestral. Magbakasyon na sir. Amis da kanya ram boys dahil na kang pa mag vitamin tam. Sir na ako nga sabi good luck na sa mga CSI 2A naman. Thanks kasi kaya beda kayong maluwat. Lalo na rang boys. Love you.
On a crazy adventure.
Never dreaming how dreams would come true.
To CSI 2A, thank you keng Egan na gana. Kasi kaya aging ka-friend na kayo. Tapos kang Sir Scotto naman, thanks a lot rin. Sana po ka magbayo, sir. Thank you.
Now here we stand, unafraid of the future. At the beginning with you.
Kaya kayo, thank you kaya kayo kasi kaya bedo kayo. Jumper shirt parang nga luwa may samot lamo na. O na yung luguran talaran. Luguran talaran, may samot lamo, luguran tala na. Sir Scotto, sir, you're the man. Tara, vitamin tapa.
Hi sir, Hazel here. Itang lagi mong ausan, bright. Amis da ka sir, sobra. Salamat kang Ega na gana. Karang mates ko, thank you kaya kayo. Amis da kayo sobra guys. Karang C4, alasan ng mga lingwang girls, amis da kayo sobra. Love you guys.
Thank you sa tiwala na binote nyo ako bilang president ninyo sa 3SEM na pagsasamahan natin. Sana alang mga lingwan, kung ati mo proud, at syuko mo lagi, Kenny. Para kan sir, sir, thank you po para ka rin ganaganang knowledge na tiro mo kaya kami. Kahit na makanano, at least maging part ka kaya kami. Sana sir ka magbayo.
Klase ko naging part ako sa kanila, naging masaya yung buhay ko, lalo na noong nakilala ko sila. Tsaka salamat din kay Sir Scotto sa mga tinuro niya mga program, kahit hindi ako masyado nakakasunod. At least kahit papano nakaka-relate ako sa mga ginagawa namin. Yun lang, tsaka wag sana kayo makalimot.
We were strangers on a crazy adventure.
Never dreaming how dreams would come true. Now here we stand, unafraid of the future. At the beginning with you. And life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river I wanna keep going. Life is a road now and forever. Wonderful journey. I've been there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end I wanna be standing at the beginning with you. Knew there was somebody somewhere. Let me love in the dark. Now I know my dream will live on. I've been waiting so long. Nothing's gonna tear us apart. And life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river I wanna keep going. Life is a road now and forever. Wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end I wanna be standing at the beginning with you. Life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love keep going